Hello guys, so today we will make a composite prime checker on Go.org. To start, go to studio.go.org. Go to studio.go.org, go to create and go to apply. So if you are not logged in, just log in to create an account. So now we are here. So go to design and you can select whichever theme you want. I like polar. So this one. Okay, create a button. Put it wherever you want. Put whatever you want here. And go to events and insert a job. So you can also do this manually. You will if you want, but why manually? No. Put a label here. Just here. Enlarge it a bit, like this. Let's just do this. Let's just go here. Like this. So remove all the text and then set this to center so that looks good. And then just create a text input. Simple text input here. And the design is done. So now go to the code tab and here which we just added, create a variable over here called flag whatever, set to 0, and then add if statement and an if else statement. So after you add these two, in the first if, take the equal to operator, double equal operator, and then put 3 in here, and then go to UI controls and use the get number from text input 1. This is the input here, and if it is, then use the set text function to put it in label 1. In label 1 you can also click the arrow, label 1, put what happened. Oh, I don't know what happened. But we'll use the math operator. Put plus. Get number. From port underscore input 1. Yep. Get number from there plus is a prime number. Okay, so now in this if we just need the same thing, but just needs to be 2. So we can just go into text mode, copy it, and then we can also copy this line. Here is a prime number. Done. So now in the else block we're gonna put a bit of code. So get a for loop in here, this one, just that part, and variable I equal to 0, it should be 2, and then I equals to I is greater than equal to, this should be greater than or equal to. So go into here and just put an equal to sign in here, put an equal sign here, is greater than equal to get number bracket and then ID, text input 1, text underscore input 1, oops, text input 1 divided by 2. You can put /2 here. So now if we go to blocks, see, it is there. It's greater than get number text input 1 divided by 2. And I++, so it increments. So create an if statement here, and then put get number in the get number operator. Let's just put this here. Whoops. First we need the double equal operator, this one, equality operator, and then in this one place we need the module operator. Yeah, modulo operator. So in this one we need to put get number, get number brak put text underscore input 1, get text input 1, percentage modulo I is equal to 0. We will use the set text function again, so copy paste it, this is right, then you have this one here. So this should be, it's a constant number, it's a prime but constant, it's a constant number, and then set the flag to 1. So take this one, the flag is equal to 1. Else, now go into the text part and below just here put else if brackets flag is double equal to if the flag is 0, then do this. So press enter, and then we can go to blocks now. So we have else if flag, so flag flag is equal to, whoops, what am I doing? So it's like this, flag 1. So to see this for once, set text and then flag variable is equal to 1. So if it is not equal to 1, then just take this one. So then just set the text to it is a prime number. And let's just try to run it. Run. Let's just put, I just type random things. I'll just put in here. Line number 9. What is your problem? Hey, get number ID parameter value. Should be after the bracket. Sorry for that. Everyone does mistakes at some point in time. Reset, run, and let's just put 69,420. So it is checking. It is a prime number. Oh my god. Lol. What am I doing? Text underscore. Let's fix that little bit error. Let's just put 96, 24, 240. Let's opposite the number. It is a constant. So this is pretty much it. It is done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.